Buddy, it's Harry Boxer, a technical trader, and it's Monday, August 3rd. These are the charts of the day. I'm going to review about a dozen stocks today of charts that look extremely powerful and with potential imminent moves coming on many or most of them. ACAD Pharmaceuticals broke out of the base in May, formed a beautiful coil, broke out of that coil, spiked up from about 2 to over 5, and has formed a beautiful flag for about 5 days. Now today, it popped 60 cents. And maybe emerging out of that flag, if it takes out the 485 area tomorrow, and then through 5, it could spike up on heavy volume. So keep your eyes on ACAD Pharmaceuticals. Affymetrix is a stock that has tremendous momentum, but look at the increase in the, or should I say, the position of the technicals. The balance of power is full green. It has been for 8 days. Money stream and on-balance value at the top of the window. This indicates strong accumulation. Stock was up 66 cents today, 7.5%, and has momentum. Although it is reaching near the top of the channel here, it could spike up through it and explode up towards that 11-12 range short term. Coin, we added it back to the portfolio today after trading it a couple times. As you know, we were stopped out here. It did nothing for 6 weeks. It got very, very quiet. Notice the declining top line and moving averages, 10, 21, and 40-day, all were pierced as the stock traded nearly 6 million shares today and gained nearly 50% in 1 day. I'm looking for a follow-through. We'll see if we get it. But there is resistance up around $1.75.80 in that range. And then beyond that, we could expect a test of the May highs up around 2.5. That's my short-term trading target. We'll see if we get there. Human genome. I wanted to point this out because of this high-level bull flag in here that's been going on for 2 weeks now. Volume really getting quiet, but technicals have not deteriorated whatsoever. And if this thing starts to move and takes out the 15 and a 15.5 3/4 range, we could see a spike up that takes it substantially higher. May need news, but we'll see. IFON. I think this one's getting ready to make a move. Notice over the last 4 days, how quiet, 3 days in particular, how quiet the volume's gotten, how narrow the price action has been. But also notice that all 3 days, the stock closed at or near the high for the day, just underneath the 10-day moving average. So it's above the 40 and 21, but the declining top line may be taken out. Any surge above the $1.90.95 on any kind of volume could really extend the stock. Notice the balance of power turned full green the last 2 days. Also notice how much room it is to the top of this channel, on the order of a double or triple. So it could be very, very interesting indeed. Jazz, excuse me, broke out of the month-long coil or pennant that it was in, but couldn't follow through and then settled into a 5-day bull flag. Low volume, great technicals. A move out of this could see a quick move to the $9 range. That would be a nice quick trade for some of our subscribers. NVAX, very similar. Broke out of a 3-month ascending coil or ascending flag, and then formed a beautiful mini 3-day pennant here on low volume with great technicals. That one also is begging a breakout. OGXI, one of my favorites. It finally broke out of this big coil, ran from 20 to 29 and change, flagged for 5 days, and today poked its head out and jumped to $1.50. Volume remains low, and I need to see that pick up with a move over 32 on volume for this really to start to accelerate potentially. ONTY, major breakout today from this base pattern that it formed or shelf. Check the surge in technicals, all 3 of them. Volume, breakaway gap, closing at or near the high for the day. Very constructive action. I'm looking for a move that takes this to the 11-12 range over the course of the next few weeks, or more, or quicker. OREX, another stock, biotech stock, in a beautiful uptrend. Look at this tight pennant, low volume, darn good technicals, and another one that has $11 written all over it. RINO, incredible chart pattern. Not going to forgive myself for missing it on the move in the high volume breakout right here, but it's already moved from 9 to 16 nearly, just in the course of the last 2 weeks. But momentum is strong, currently in flagging, and look at the balance of power has been green for 2-3 months. This stock could explode to the upside and get up to $20 pretty quickly. SPPI has an important day today, up 48 cents, broke out of this pennant pattern. Volume starting to pick up a little bit. Let's see if it gets a follow through tomorrow. And finally, portfolio position VITA had an important 2-day follow through after the breakout here. Another up day, 2 days in a row. It's now up 3 days in a row. And on solid volume, again, great balance of power and technicals. Certainly a stock that has terrific momentum. Would not be shocked to see this get up to the 8-9 zone pretty quickly. That's it for tonight. Have fun. Buddy, it's Harry.